All right, Ormond and Flagler and local business owners, it's happening. The business event everyone's been waiting for, Scale and Thrive in 2026. I'm Stephanie Hines, award winning business and marketing coach, and I am hosting the Scale and Thrive 2026 event for local business owners with my guest speaker, Mayor Jason Leslie, and Economic Development Director for an event like no other. It's going to be an empowering afternoon to help local business owners just like you scale and thrive in 2026. And what we're going to cover is we're going to talk about how Ormond Beach and local communities are really supporting small business growth and how you can align with the strategies to help implement to take advantage of the city's booming opportunities that you may not even know about. And then we're going to talk about my favorite, which is how to utilize AI tools to do more with less. And you're going to actually enjoy this event. You're going to leave with a marketing plan, you're going to leave with tools. There's so many bonuses that you're going to get. You do not want to miss this event. I promise you that. We're hosting it at the 31 Supper Club in Ormond, which is a beautiful, beautiful place. It's going to be Tuesday, November 19th from 1 to 4 p.m. Admission is free. It is limited, but we do have also VIP packages that you're going to want to check out as well. So you'll get, when you sign up, you're going to get an online marketing snapshot report that my team is going to do for you. We usually charge $297 for this, but because you come to the event, you're going to get it for free. And what it's going to do, it's going to show you your complete online marketing presence. It kind of audits your visibility online in 6 key areas. It's going to go over your listings, SEO. It's going to tell you all about your website, your social media, your reputation management, and your ads. And it tells you exactly where you are today. And then in this event, we're going to show you where you can get to or where you need to be and give you the step by step to get there. So you're also going to be able to network with local leaders. We're going to have hors d'oeuvres and refreshments. We're going to do valet parking because you deserve it and you need to level up in 2026. And there's going to be so much more. So I would say don't wait. Grab your seat right now. And not only is seats limited, but time is limited because it's November 19th. So we're looking for fast action takers. Hit the link, grab your seat, and let's make 2026 your biggest year yet. And I will see you at Scale and Thrive on November 19th.